My gratitude to the universe. I am Dr. Dharmadas, Vastu consultant and a Numerology specialist. Today we are going to learn about the main gate and boundary wall, staircase of the house. We come to the boundary wall. Most of the houses are having boundary walls around their houses. In duplexes, only two boundary walls, front and back, you will find. There should not be any dent or crack on the boundary walls. The corners of the boundary wall should not be curved. That should be in 90 degrees. Boundary wall should not be uneven. Boundary wall at east and north should be lower than the south and west. If it is not like that, the head of the family will suffer. He will be having always tension. Money fluctuations will be there. So, boundary walls must be correct. Many people are keeping images, statues of God and goddesses, or stuffed animals, peacocks and other birds on the boundary wall. It is not correct as per doctrines of Vastu Shastra. It will be a sort of a hurdle for the flowing of energies inside the house. We should not keep any glass pieces or anything on the boundary walls. While coming to the main gate, we have to divide the front boundary wall into 9 segments. First and second segment you leave and start from the third segment, the main gate. Main gate should be 8 to 9 feet and height should be on par with the boundary wall. You should not keep any sharp iron pieces on the main gate. It must be either grilled or covered main gate. Main gate always with 2 shutters. Or you can have a sliding main gate. But before placing the main gate, you must see that there should not be any ditch, any pole, any pillar, or any tall tree in front of the main gate. This is inauspicious. Main gate should be maintained neat and clean. it hinges are oiled now and then, so that there should not be cracking voice on the main gate, which lead to many problems. We can go to staircase of the house. Staircases are three types. One, single row staircase, double row staircase, and spiral staircase. Escalator also comes under staircase. That is moving staircase. We learn about escalator and lift later on. You can arrange staircase anywhere in the house except in northeast. If you want to arrange at east and north, staircase must be away from the north wall and east wall. Construction should be very light. Fabricated staircase is better in these two sides. You can have heavy and concreted staircase at south wall and west wall, because south and west should be heavy. Staircase with railing is better. Wherever you land on the staircase, but entry must be auspicious. Don't keep any tables, grains or groceries under the staircase. You should not have any construction or toilets underneath the staircase. You can have spiral staircases also outside of the house, leaving northeast corner, because it is heavy. These are about the staircases. If you like my video, please comment and don't forget to subscribe. May God bless you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you.